Not even recording. Sitting here on standby. Oh. I thought I pressed the button. That button's tricky.
He's just slapping dirt in the face. Did you see that? He's just slapping in the face. Sharks are falling out.
He's going in the hot tub? Who's in the hot tub?
Sandra and Jamie are in there.
Oh, okay.
Jared's just leaning over top of us.
Where'd James go?
Right beside Jared.
Just filming strangers. Sorry about that. I'm not a freak. Not that kind of a freak.
There's my room window. I just thought my naked was open. That's dangerous. This is on. No. That's your table. My table.
She got a tramp stamp.
But
She got a tramp stamp. See the tattoo on her hip?
no way.
Weird.
Terrible.
Whatever, to each their own.
You can laser them off like nothing today. They're giving them away as prizes on the Red Deer radio station. Tramp stamp removal. I'm serious.
Maybe that's a business we should consider getting into. I don't know.
No.
Yeah, I think some of these girls are gonna buy my shirts that I brought. And they'll wrap your tummy and tuck it up. Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna shove it, John.
No,